Process to secure a search warrant in Kentucky is now fully digital.
While the advanced technology aims to have benefits, there are some concerns. Alexis Matthews gets the facts on how it works.
Obtaining a search warrant in Kentucky is easier for law enforcement agencies now that the rollout of the statewide electronic system is complete. The traditional paper and in-person process to authorize the search of a property is entirely digital.
Now, that is not to say that the judge and the officer could not still have contact via telephone or something of that nature if that is needed.
The e-search warrant program replaces face-to-face interaction, and its simplicity is compared to TurboTax. Authorities create their application, upload evidence such as a photo, and track that process online. And judges can review, approve or deny, sign, and return the warrant. Even the officer's sworn oath to the information in the affidavit can be done from afar.
I think being able to get all that information very nice, neat, and organized, right, sort of provided up front is very helpful. And I think just the timeliness for sure.
The goal is to improve efficiency and accessibility, but with advanced technology comes potential errors and a cause for concern. When talking about changes to the search warrant process, Louisville police is bound to be a topic of discussion, notably the high-profile case of Breonna Taylor. 3 fired LMPD officers are federally charged for providing false information to obtain a search warrant at the 26-year-old's apartment. Taylor was killed in that 2020 raid. And former Jefferson County Judge Mary Shaw was highly scrutinized for signing off on the document. And with a new and quick online warrant system, a veteran LMPD detective tells us there's always risk.
You have to look at what the best practices are and go from there. But I don't think the integrity of the search warrant, I don't think that's compromised.
Check and balances are put into any system to reduce that risk as much as possible.
In Louisville, Alexis Matthews, WOKY News.